Oh. Ha. Oh. Huh? Ah.
Hello, Cuquin. Do you know what's inside the boxes?
Oh.
Animals. Do you want to see them? To know which animal starts with the vowel A, you need to write it down.
Ha. Huh? A.
Try again. Follow the lines.
A. Oh. Huh. A. Ant.
That's right. A is for ant. Don't you know which animal begins with an E?
Ah. E.
I think you wrote too many lines. Why don't you do it again?
Huh. E. Ah. Oh. Ah. Wow. E. Elephant.
Great. E is for elephant. Do you know of any animal that starts with an I?
I. Ah. Oh. Wow. Oh. I. Iguana.
Good, Cuquin. Yes. I is for iguana.
Huh?
Let's see. What animal begins with the vowel O?
Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Octopus.
Very good. O is for octopus. Which animal starts with the vowel U?
U.
It just looked more like an O than a U. Why don't you try again?
U. Oh. Wow. U. Unicorn.
Of course, U is for unicorn. Now you know the vowels and the animals.
A is for ant. E is for elephant. I is for iguana. O is for octopus. U is for unicorn. The vowels!
The Cuquin Fun Playtime World app is entertaining and perfect for any place, even during trips or in offline areas. Download it on the App Store.
Insect surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, all she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice our will is missing. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web up. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg.